Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius and landandairphotos.com. Well, it's another day in quarantine paradise, and we're outside just long enough to get our hair cut and for me to record a quick message to you. I wanted to do a follow-up on my video from last week. I've gotten some responses from people, and that's great, and I'm excited about that. I want to get some more responses though. So you got 1 week left to send in your short clips for me to put into a video montage. It's going to be cool when we get it done. I put the instructions in the other video. I'll do a link, one of these corners, where you can watch the other one, and it gives you instructions on how to use Google Drive if you've never used that before. Remember, I can't just go to your channel and pull video clips off there. The quality won't be as good, and you know, for me to go through 10 or 15 videos on your channel and pick out little 30-second clips, it's just, and then multiply that by a number of people submitting their messages or submitting their videos, it would just take me forever to do it. So I need for you to send me links to 30-second clips or less. You can put them on Google Drive. You can send them by Dropbox. A few people have used Dropbox, and that's cool too. And send those to me, and I will download them and get them put into the montage. And like I said, we've got until next Sunday, I believe, when the deadline is there. So if you haven't got it done already, try to get it done as soon as possible. Don't forget, don't procrastinate. Get them sent in, and we'll get this thing put together. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.